Thank you for staying back this evening. And to borrow this phrase from the book Personally Speaking, I'm trying to get personally speaking, but I can't get frankly speaking out of my mind because Arnab Goswami is so loud. Have you read the book Personally Speaking? You must read that by Dr. Ralph Smedley. It's a fantastic book, and I was reading that recently just to figure out what's the role of the club leadership. And there's a wonderful phrase there. He says, you are elected, and remember, it's a privilege to serve. And that's a good thing about Toastmasters. It's such an egalitarian society, such an egalitarian group. But there has to be a committee to steer the thing and a president. But he very clearly states, the president is not a boss, he's not a dictator. And it's such a wonderful read just to understand what leadership is all about. So go back and read that, particularly when you're thinking about taking up leadership roles in Toastmasters. I'd like to thank the outgoing committee, and particularly to those who are not part of the next term's committee. Nisha, you did such a fabulous job. You guys would really miss, hopefully not, the minutes, because she did an amazing job. I hope you've seen that. You get video recordings of everyone, including the table talking speaker. We're going to miss you. Let's give it a huge round of applause. Karunakar, you've been such a live wire, but I know that you're going to be around and we want you to be around. But we will miss you as well. Karunakar. You did such an incredible job, particularly getting those speech club sessions going. We were in a huge financial crisis. We desperately needed at least 30 speech crafters, and he just rounded them up. Sahil, well done. All the best. We were such a wealth of talent here, and you saw that while the elections were going on. Bhavna, Lalit, Vinny, Samuel, you guys are gems, And look, next term is such an important term. We got 1,000 meeting coming, and we want you to be part around us. And you guys bring in your unique talent. You're not going anywhere. There has to be a winner, and we got one. But we want you around as well, and I'm going to reach out, and the company is going to reach out to all of you. Lalit, you've been doing a great job with the YLP as well. We want your support. So let's give all of them the support. As Bosco mentioned, we started in 1996. We're now going to enter our 20th year, our 21st year. We're going to finish one store. But we want to go on, right, for many, many decades to come. So, in this current committee, we want to record this history. We've had such wonderful people, and we've made an attempt to get a roll call of all the past presidents. We've had amazing speakers, amazing leaders in the past 20 years that our club has produced for the Toastmaster movement. And we want to recognize them, and that's going to come in the next term. Please visit the website. It's an amazing place where we're trying to record these things. We want to carry on with that good work that Prakash Tamankar and Mahavir started. And the critical thing when you move on is ours is a community club. And we're really proud of all that we've achieved. Not many clubs live for 20 years. I was stunned. I mean, there is a star club in Bangalore where all the stars, when I first became a Toastmaster, that's the club to be in. And I was surprised to learn that club is done. I don't want to name the club. And there are many such big names. And clubs normally die because of two reasons. One is ego issues, and the other one is financial issues. Fortunately, we do not have ego issues here. We've got a terrific bunch of people. And the second thing is, you never know when you're going to be faced with a financial crisis. It's true we're not a profit-making organization, but we need to be financially prudent. So what we are doing is we're putting in place processes by which you contributing your money, you should know where the money is going. We've put it up on our website, and we will soon start sending you monthly mailers to tell you our revenue and our expense. That is so important, and I think that's a foundation for us to do well. We also want to put in several other financial measures to make sure, for example, if there's a big sum of money to be spent, let's call a general body meeting, or let's fix caps. These are things that we're going to discuss next week at the general body meeting. So next term, what do we have to look forward to? Well, lots of fun. We want to get a lot more good speakers. But remember, on April 1st, we're going to have our 1000th meeting.
Wow.
April 1st. April Fool's Day, by the start of the new financial year. And we want to do it in a big way. We want to discuss what we want to do in that meeting next week when we have our general meeting, general body meeting. So please do come back and give your thoughts on that. And Kainan is here, our area director. We are going for the golden gavel. And so we're going to do that as well. So we look forward to your continued participation. If you have any feedback, do come and tell us. We want to make, as someone said, the greatest club Toastmasters has ever seen. Thank you.